Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all well and enjoying your holiday. In the previous class, we just talked about knowing hours numbers, but in this class, we will talk about a new chapter that is playing with numbers. You already know what is number. In this chapter, you will learn about how to work out problems with emote, then once operation. BODMAS rule help to us decided which operation should be carried out first. In the previous class, you have observed the pattern in numbers and you also know the concept of factor and multiplication multiplies. Here you will learn about how to solve of multiplication and division by applying these concepts. In this chapter you will learn about BODMAS rule, divisibility rule, LCM rule, lowest common multiple, multiply and factor, highest common factors. All right. If I talk you, is BODMAS rule is correct? My first question is BODMAS rule correct? Using the above hierarchy, we see that in the 4 plus 2 into 3, the question will beginning the article choice 2 was the correct answer, because we have to do multiplication before we have to do addition. BODMAS stand for bracket, order, division and multiplication and addition subtraction. All right. So what we say, what is BODMAS rule? BODMAS rules decided the order of operation for added, subtraction, multiply and division, etc. B for bracket, do all operation contained in the bracket first. O, order, power and square root, etc. D, division. M for multiplication. A for addition and S for subtraction. Yes. Do you use BODMAS when there is no bracket? This is my question to you. Do you use BODMAS when there is no bracket? Just follow the rule of BODMAS to get the correct answer. There is no bracket or order, so start with division and multiplication. Always remember. All right. Why do we need BODMAS? Any guesses? When you see something like 7 plus bracket 6 into 52 plus 3 bracket close, what part should you calculate first? This is most difficult. If you don't use BODMAS, it is most difficult to find a correct answer. Believe me. Alright, start at the left and go to the right, or go from left to right. This is questions. Alright, calculate them in a wrong order and you will get a wrong answer. So, long ago, people agreed to always follow the certain rules when doing calculation one of the BODMAS. Alright, what does the O mean in BODMAS? If someone asks you what is the meaning of O in BODMAS, the original order of operation in most country was BODMAS, which stand for bracket, order of power, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The O is something associated with of. This mathematic always was common until exponent were added into them. All right. How do I remember BODMAS? It's so simple. B for bracket first, O for order, DM for division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. First B, second O, D third D and M, and 4 A S. Alright. If I talk about addition, in the order of operation, you would complete equation left to right, doing which ever one appear, the first addition or subtraction. Addition is adding number together. The symbol for addition is plus. Example, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Subtraction, in the order of operation, you would complete the equation left to right, doing whichever one appear first. Addition or subtraction. Subtraction is talking away a specific number. The symbol for subtraction is minus. Alright, the example, 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. If we talk about 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. If we talk about 20 minus 19 is equal to 1. Alright. Multiplication. In the order of operation, you would complete the equation from left to right, doing whichever one of the appear first. Multiplication or division. The symbol for multiplication is x. Remember to go from left to right, multiply or divide before you add and subtract. Division is the one of the most operation you would complete from equation left to right, doing whichever one appear the first. Multiplication or division. The division is an equation that put numbers into group. The division symbol is division sign. Remember to go from left to right. Always remember, student. Example 1. Simplify 4 plus 5 into 12 minus 6. So what we have to do? According to the BODMAS rule, we first perform multiplication followed by addition and subtraction. Then what we have? 4 plus 60 plus 6. That's what. So what we have to do first? We have to plus 60 plus 4 is 64 minus 6 is equal to 58. Example second, simplify 5 plus 7 into 15 plus 5. So first we have to do multiply. 7 into 3 is equal to 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. Alright, student, these are some of the examples you have to do in your register or rough copy. Please practice it. Alright, and I have given you worksheet for some practice. Please write it down in your school register. Thank you.